Welcome to Techietalkee. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain about the Bitwise XOR operator. It is also called the exclusive OR operator and it is represented by using the caret symbol. This XOR operator needs two operands to perform the Bitwise XOR operation. This is the truth table of the XOR operator. 0 XOR 0 is 0. 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1 and 1 XOR 1 is 0. Now let me show you an example on how the bitwise XOR works. Here I am assigning 6 to a variable A and 4 to a variable B. And I am going to do A XOR B, which means 6 XOR 4. Let's execute this code and see what result we get here. So we get 2 here. Now let me explain you how we get 2 as a result of 6 XOR 4. First, the integer numbers 6 and 4 are converted to the binary numbers. And for converting them to binary numbers, we'll have to keep dividing them by 2 till we get the remainder to be either 1 or 0. So the binary value of 6 is 110 and the binary value of 4 is 100. And I've written down the binary values here 110 and 100. And now we need to find the XOR on these two values. For that, we need the truth table. So what do I have here? 0, 0. So 0 XOR 0 is 0. So I'll write down 0 here. Then I have 1, 0. 1 XOR 0 is 1. So I'll write down 1 here. And then I have 1 and 1. So 1 XOR 1 is 0. So I'll write 0 here. And this is the binary value that I get for 6 XOR 4. Next, we need to convert this to the integer value. So 0, which I'll multiply with 2 power 0. And 2 power 0 is 1 into 0, which will be 0. Next, I have 1 here, which I'll multiply with 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 will be 2. Next I have 0 here, which I'll multiply with 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 into 0 will be 0. And the integer value of the 0, 1, 0 will be the sum of these values. It will be 0 plus 2 plus 0, which will be 2. So we got the result as 2 for 6 XOR 4. Hey guys, hope you now understood how the bitwise XOR operator works. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.